Today is March 21st, which officially means we're in spring. So I decided to make a video on some sneakers I plan to wear this season, my spring sneaker rotation for 2023. If y'all end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below to help with the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let me know what else y'all would like to see in the comments. Sneaker collection coming soon. I'm gonna drop that around the time my brand is dropping, just to try to build some hype around it, you feel me? But with all that being said, let's not waste any more time and get into my spring 2023 sneaker rotation, or at least what I plan to wear. We're gonna start this list off real slight with some Chuck 70s. Honestly, I meant to wear these last year and I never got around to it. Pretty much DS. I feel like I wore these one time. I never really wore these, but I've had these in the collection for a little minute. I feel like this year is the year when I'm gonna pull them out. I love the way these look. The silhouette of them almost give me Rick Owen vibes, and I might actually do a video making my own Rick Owens from Converse. If y'all would like to see that, let me know in the comments. But yeah, we got the two colors, the lilac and the black colorway. Sneakers that you could just wear on a day-to-day basis, beat them up all over, clean sneaker. I also love the lows. Second one is almost mandatory. It's the Wave Runner 700s. I feel like time and time again, around this time, around the season where colors start coming back into play, this is a sneaker that you just can't go wrong with. And for me, this season, I'm definitely gonna be wearing these. I'm kind of scared because I've been beating my shits. Considering that they're never gonna release again, it's kind of a touchy topic. I'm gonna just be more particular, more selective when I wear them. Years back, I was wearing these shits a lot. You feel me? Like a lot of different outfits I could pull these off with, but nowadays I'm gonna be a little bit more selective because, like I said, they're not coming back. So I just gotta make sure I clean them, take care of them as best as I can. At least this is one of those sneakers that has a bunch of colors but you could still pull off, and I feel like spring literally goes hand in hand with this sneaker right here. Excited to pull these back out. I haven't really been wearing them too much, but it's about that time again. This next one is a banger, and it's the Amameniere Jordan 3s. This one is a placeholder for me. I feel like I'm gonna wear the white cement 3s a little bit more than them, simply because this is a 10.5, so they fit me a little bigger than I would like it. And it's a collab, you feel me? So I gotta take care of these. Amameniere Jordan 3s, I definitely will be wearing them in spring. Probably not as much as my white cement 3s. I just don't have them in yet. They're literally out for delivery, and I didn't want to wait to film this video, so I said, you know what? Let me film it with the Ama 3s. Just know that the white cements will probably take over this spot because it's a more wearable sneaker. I don't really want to f these up. They're never dropping again. Y'all already know how it goes. I still will be wearing these in spring. The next sneaker I'm gonna be pulling out this spring is the Popcorn Air Force 1s. These almost have like that buttery yellow color all around the upper. I love the way these look for springtime. This is literally perfect, bro. It has that buttery pastel yellow on the upper. I remember wanting these for hella long, and my girl ended up getting them for me. You got the popcorn bag vibe on the Nike, popcorn on the insole, funky font on the back, fresh since '82. Just the color in general, I really do love these. I love what they did with them. Leather on them is buttery. It's just perfect. I feel like I haven't worn them too much in winter, so I definitely want to give these some love. This next one isn't really one sneaker, it's more so a model, and it's a model that a lot of people are sleeping on at this point. Jordan 1s in more colorful colorways is what I plan to pull out this spring. UNC 1, which is a beautiful colorway for the Jordan 1. Pollens, which I feel like are kind of slept on at this point. I feel like it's perfect for spring with the yellow and shit. This is one that I'm gonna try to pull out, and if I don't, I'm gonna have to let these bitches go. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Turbo Greens, which is an iconic Jordan 1 in my opinion. I feel like when this dropped, not a lot of Jordan 1s were looking like this. I actually worn these a lot. They even got like some I don't even know, they got some sauce on the side. I'm gonna have to clean these a little bit. You even get those exposed foam hits on these. You don't normally get that on Jordan 1, so I definitely love these, and I will be pulling them out this spring. Easy, bro. Turbo Greens go crazy. Saving the best for last, Chicago Lost and Found 1s. I feel like it's the perfect time to start pulling these out. I don't know how much more praise I can give to this sneaker. It's literally the perfect sneaker in my opinion. You get the vintage vibes with the perfect color. Definitely excited to start wearing these more as spring happens, as summer comes. This is gonna be in my rotation. This is one of those pairs that I'm definitely gonna clean after I wear them type shit, because I ain't trying to look back 10 years later and be like, yo, I cooked my shits. What the f? Nah, bro, I'm cleaning them. It is what it is. Colorful Jordan 1s is definitely still a vibe. At least for me, I know some people sleeping, but it is what it is. This is my list. Yours might be different. So what's a sneaker rotation list without the New Balance 2002Rs? I talk about these shits every fucking video. I'm gonna have to pick up another colorway. I'm debating on the blue with the baby blue pair or the rain cloud pair. Those are also sick. But yeah, 2002Rs will always be worn. This is almost like my go-to sneaker. I don't want to talk about it too much because I'm boring y'all with them. I'm gonna try to pick up another colorway, preferably a more lighter or a more colorful color is what I'm going for. For spring, the blue pair or the gray pair are honestly my preferences, but until I buy those, I will be wearing these. These still gonna be getting worn. Yes, we have a couple more sneakers left that I plan to wear in my rotation. One of them being the Lot 4 Off-White Dunks. This one definitely gives me spring vibes. You got that minty green lace all around it. You get the black tag with the colorful hits right there. You can see 4 of 50 Off-White hits. If I'm being honest, this isn't my favorite colorway. I actually saw one recently that had like a cream tongue with the minty blue lace. Them shits was looking so sexy. I would low-key trade these for those, but it is what it is. This is the pair that I got for retail. Shout out to Nike for blessing me with these on the shock drop. I just can't complain, bro. Gotta give credit where it's due. Perfect spring sneaker. You can wear it with some shorts and you can still wear it with like some cream pants, something a little more simple. Banger sneaker nonetheless. The Off-White Lot Dunks, fire. If y'all made it this far into the video, please leave a like on it. That way this can spread to more people in the algorithm. As y'all know, I've been trying to make more sneaker content in hopes that I could spread to more people, and honestly, sneakers is my passion. I decided to do something that I love rather than something that gets results in hopes of getting results doing what I love. Slight bars, but the last sneaker on my list is Jordan 4s, bro. What's a list without Jordan 4s? I do have two different categories as far as these go. For a little special occasion, we got the Jordan 4 Cactus Jacks, the first Travis Scott collaboration with Nike, I believe. The Jordan 4s, I got these for $350 after the drop, and honestly, for a little minute, I thought these were fake, but I passed legit checks on multiple different apps for these because I was actually concerned, and they ended up being real. It's just that quality control was kind of cheats on these. This is a pair that I'll be pulling out on a more special occasion, a little date night like I said before, something more special. That's when I'll be wearing these. But on a more day-to-day basis, the fire red Jordan 4s will definitely do the trick. I love this color palette. This is just the perfect sneaker in my opinion. I love the military blues, as y'all know. This is the closest I've gotten so far, the white and red. I want the white and blues back, but I can't complain. I know Thunders are dropping this spring, so if I do get those will be in my rotation for sure. But for now, two of my favorites in my collection are the fire red 4s and the Travis Scott Cactus Jack Jordan 4s. And that pretty much does it for this list. If y'all enjoyed this video, I would really highly appreciate if you guys left a like on this one and subscribe down below for more sneaker content, brand content on the way, sneaker collection on the way, room tour on the way. We going crazy, bro. 2023 is our year to get back on this shit, and I'm hella excited to bring y'all along with me, so stick along for the ride. Make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe with post notifications on so you know when I post my videos, because that first hour or two are the most crucial on YouTube. Depending on how much love you get at the beginning, they determine whether they want to share your content to more people. So if y'all are enjoying, make sure y'all go ahead and like and comment so we could get that engagement up. But I love y'all forever. Please have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go get some sunlight. Spend time with your family or your loved ones. And also let me know what you plan to have in your sneaker rotation in the comments. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.